एज अ कंज्यूमर ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है
हम्म,
कि बहुत बार मैं ये देखती हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट होता है, खाना भी अच्छा है, टेस्ट भी अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है, कुछ टाइम बाद सुनने में आता है कि
कि वो
बंद हो
बंद हो
गया।
गया, या
व्हाट गोज रॉन्ग?
I feel like competition is really big right now, and you really need to be unique to stand out. मतलब you have to do something very different. क्योंकि अगर आप सब जगहों का like any place that you pick out, if you see their menus, they're almost the same. सब में पिज्जा रहता है, सब में पास्ता रहता है, but you have to stand out. मतलब even if your food quality is great, in Calcutta I can say any restaurant, any cafe, any dhaba you go to, you get delicious food every single time. But what is making you stand out? Why should someone come to you again? Either your price points can be better than someone else, or you can be an Instagrammable place. But the thing with that is you have to keep changing yourself every
Yeah.
3 months, because otherwise वो पूरा done and dusted होता है, then no one wants to come back. Or you are serving something that no one else is being able to do. This is very, very important. This only comes from practice, practice, practice. That's what I feel. So, jabhi like youngsters come to me and they ask me, that I want to open my own bakery, I always say, don't do it right now. You first work. आप जितने भी जगह पे काम कर सकते हो, आप पहले काम करो, आप सीखो, learn the skill, learn the art, learn the profession for as many years as you can, and then open something of your own, because you'll know exactly how to change whatever you want when the market shifts.
ओके, सो बेसिकली इवन इफ योर फूड इज गुड, आपका कुछ एक यूएसपी होना
होना
चाहिए
ही चाहिए.
जिसकी वजह से लोग बार बार आपके पास आए,
Absolutely.
बिकॉज रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन रिपीट कस्टमर्स.
Absolutely. It is only dependent on that.
या सो कैन यू ऑल्सो गिव अस कोई ऐसा एग्जाम्पल अपनी कोलकाता का जो इसको बहुत अच्छे से क्रैक कर लिया है?
Absolutely. Barbecue.
ओके, या
Barbecue in Park Street. Not Barbecue Nation, Barbecue. Or a Mocambo. If you think about it, Barbecue has been consistent with their food quality for years. Matlab, agar, I mean, I have seen my parents have gone there when they just got married, and now after 32 years, when you still go there, they still say ki ye exact same hai. They have been able to crack it. A Mocambo, they've like played with your nostalgia. You've grown up eating that, and ab kabhi bhi jaoge, both the restaurants are completely packed any time of the day. They have completely cracked it in so many ways and more. And you know what? One really big thing that really makes a difference is that whenever you go there, the owners are there all the time. You cannot leave your business to people who are working for you. Of course, give your work to other people, but you have to be there present,
Involved.
making sure that things are going exactly how you want it to be. And I feel like that is actually the USP. I don't see anyone else do it. I run a lot of restaurants. I help people open a lot of them. I see very few people be there at their business 24/7. And if you actually see कि वो जगह बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से चलते हैं जहाँ पे उनके ओनर्स रहते हैं.
राइट.
Because that personal touch, that whole like passion comes from them. So absolutely, you should be there. That's it.